والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين. أما بعد، فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وإن تعدوا نعمة الله لا تحصوها. صدق الله العظيم. Dear audience and friends, you know very well that Allah is our creator, Allah is our sustainer, Allah is the most merciful God, Allah is the most gracious Lord. He is the greatest of all. Friends, you see this world, this is the sky, this is the earth, this is the tree, this is the hill, this is the spring. These are all the bounties of Allah.